What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. This is my next build. This is not an unboxing. I got this kit from the thrift store, Honey Hole, that I go to once in a while. It's all there. It's all sealed still in its little bags. There's the decals are like really nothing to worry about. So, you know, I'm not going to worry about whether or not they work. You can see there's some tires and the wheels. Almost always my builds start with what's going to look good and will it fit. I'm not building this stock. I am not building it box stock. And as you can see, the box here, it's been sitting for a while. It's got a little bit of dust on it. So it looks like a nice kit. I'm not going to do an unboxing, but I did a digging through my wheel stash to see what would fit and what looks good. That's the stock one. I mean, I don't know. I already know how I want it to look. So the wheels that I found out of all of these that look the best, I'm kind of torn. I like these, but that, to me, that says more Datsun, more JDM than anything. So I'm going with either these or these, the 5 spokes, and I will put paint and or chrome on them. So that's kind of where I'm at. Got the cool Sierra, the XR. Nice. It's a cool kit. I was pretty stoked when I saw this when I got it that day at the place. It was cheap, you know, I mean, not cheap, but it was definitely affordable. You don't see them. You see them online every once in a while at the Evil Bays, but it's got options, you know. How cool is that? So I don't know if I will go as far as trying to make it look like it has a turbo on it, but I probably will at least wire it, you know, wires and some hoses and stuff. But that's about it. Just wanted to share that with you. You know, my process, going digging through the boxes and piles of wheels that work, that fit. I'll always start with the stock one first and see what's similar, you know, in size and diameter. So you're going to modify your car, you want your wheels and tires to be a little bit bigger, right? Or maybe a little lower profile. So got the ones picked out. I'll make a final decision soon once I start prepping it and looking how they, you know, how they clean up, how they paint up. So this is what's coming next. Thanks for watching.